Alright, so we've been stuffing things into cupcakes for years now, but have you ever tried a Snickerdoodle apple pie stuffed into a pumpkin cupcake? No, you have not. But now you can. With my new recipe for pumpkin cake, it bakes great into cupcakes and mini Snickerdoodle apple pies. Hello. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Yes, my newest recipe for pumpkin cake just took a spin off a road less traveled and you are going to love it. It is a super easy one bowl mix for the cake. Basically all the dry ingredients get sifted together with all the pumpkin spices. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to combine the brown sugar, the vegetable oil, the pumpkin, and then the plant milk. Add the dry ingredients and whisk it smooth. If you watched my previous video for the making of the marble bundt cake with this same cake batter, I talked about all the different varieties of pumpkin and how they may affect your recipes differently. So be sure to click through to my website where you will get the written recipe with all the instructions, plus all the notes for success for no-fail vegan baking every time. So as you see here, the batter for the cupcakes I made on my second go around was slightly different than the one that you just saw in the bowl because I did use a different pumpkin and I tested this recipe several times to get it perfect. But I am getting a little bit ahead of myself here because for these apple pie stuffed cupcakes, we have to make the mini apple pies first. Duh! This is a building on recipes project like all epic creations are, so you will have to make the mini Snickerdoodle apple pies ahead of time. So if you haven't seen that one yet, you are definitely going to want to check out that recipe. Well, of course you have to, so go ahead and make those and then meet me back here. By placing a mini apple pie into the batter of each cupcake, they bake up perfectly in no time. So just let them cool while you prepare your favorite buttercream recipe, and at the last stage of mixing, add more pumpkin and more pumpkin spices for a pumpkin spice buttercream. A sprinkle of cinnamon on each one, and I always have random things in my freezer from other projects, and a crumbled up layer of apple cake was the perfect topping for these cupcakes. Of course, you don't have to make a whole other recipe just to do that, but if you are like me and your freezer is overflowing with stuff, then go grab something and crumble it on top. Let me know below, what do you have in your freezer? Mine is mostly bananas and cake trimmings. Alright everyone, go grab this recipe at gretchensveganbakery.com, but before you go, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's next. All the best vegan bakes coming out of Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. So thanks a lot everyone for hanging out with me here for a few minutes each week, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.